Hey guys, this is Mike at PTY Streams, and today we're going to talk about Incursion. Incursion is a new KODI add-on. It's pretty much a forked version of Covenant and Exodus. So as you can see on the screen, it looks very similar to to Exodus or Covenant. But it has an updated code, so let's see how long they can keep it going, and let's test it out, and then I'll show you how to install it. Alright, so let's go into Movies. Let's try to find something trending. Let's try Blade Runner. Now this part right here, you could actually go into the settings, and if you know the streams that don't work well in the area, the servers that don't work well in your area, that buffer a lot, you could go ahead and eliminate them. You could also minimize the search time, so instead of 45 seconds to a minute, it'll take 10 to 20 seconds. Okay, let's see the quality of streams that I found. Alright, I found a couple 1080, a lot of 720. Let's go ahead and try one of these 1080p. Now some streams, depending on the device that you're using and your internet speed, it can take a little longer to get in. Now you can actually pair this. It's very simple. I do it as a last case scenario type thing, but let's cancel out. If nothing else works, then I'll show you how to use it. All right, none of the 1080p's seem to work in the area that I'm at, but I found a 720. And there you go. Starting the volumes all the way down to avoid any copyright issues. Let's fast forward a little to see the quality. And there you go, 720. Alright, let's go ahead and try show up. Let's back out of here. Back out of here. One more time. Let's go to TV shows. And again, let's find something that is trending. And let's try Lethal Weapon. And season 2. And let's try the last episode that was aired. And again, this part here, you could go into the settings, you could minimize the search time, you could eliminate the streams that you know that don't work well in your area. For example, for the movies, I tried several 1080p's, you could see the source that it comes from, and you could eliminate those so it doesn't waste its time searching for them. Alright, found several 720, let's try the first one. And I'll show you how to tell which stream. Only because I picked the first one, it doesn't necessarily mean, see, it didn't go in the first one, it went to the third one. 720. Me, I can't stand watching anything with buffering. So if this takes a little long, we'll back out and we choose a different stream. Yeah, let's back out of there. And since it picked the third one, let's go ahead and try this one. Okay, it didn't work. Let's see the quality that it finds. And there you go, it loaded fine without a problem. Let's fast forward a little. Again, we have the volume all the way down to avoid any copyright issues. Alright, so let's go ahead and back out of here and I'll show you how to install it. Alright, so what you want to do is, you want to go to settings. We're going to go to file manager and we have to add a source. In this case I already have it. So you press add source. I'll show you what the source is. And that is the URL that you have to type. Once you typed it, you press OK. And you got to create a name for it. Incursion in this case. Press OK. And once you've done that, you're back out of here. And we're going to go to add-ons. Alright guys, in add-ons we go to the little box right here. And we're going to go to install from zip file. We're going to look for the source that we just added, Incursion. Go to repository. And we're going to install the repository Incursion. Go ahead and select it. Since I've already installed it, you're going to see a notification that it's been updated. In your case, you're going to see that it's been installed. It should take a second or two. There you go, add-on updated. So now we go to install from repository. And we're going to look for the Incursion repository. We're going to go to video add-ons. Select Incursion. Select install. It's right there. And if you want to configure it, like I told you, take out the streams that don't work in your area. Just go right here. Here's the provider's timeout. Here you can minimize the search time. If you find those streams with CAPTCHA annoying, you could go ahead and should be able to take those out somewhere over here. If not over here. Yeah. Just go ahead and turn this off. And here you could go ahead and turn off the providers that you know that don't work well in your area. That way it won't waste its time searching for the streams that actually do work. And once you have that set up, make sure you go to OK. Otherwise, none of your settings will save. Alright guys, if you found this video helpful, please like and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments or feel free to email me. Don't forget to check out my website, ptystreams.com. Alright guys, take care and have fun.